Every small business hits the same wall. The work grows faster than the hours in your day, and the obvious fix, hiring someone, is slow and expensive. But a lot of what is drowning you does not need a person at all. Here are 5 places AI actually helps in a boring, practical, saves you 6 hours a week way. 1. Answering the same questions for the 100th time. Most businesses field the same handful of questions all day. Hours, pricing, where is my order? A simple AI assistant answers those instantly at 2 in the morning, so your real attention goes to the customers who actually need you. 2. Turning your messy notes into finished work. So much of your week is just moving words around. The follow-up email, the proposal, the meeting summary. AI is genuinely good at the rough draft. You give it the raw idea and edit a solid first version instead of staring at a blank page. 3. Making sense of numbers you never have time to read. Your business generates data all the time, and most owners never look. AI reads that pile of numbers and just tells you the story. Your Tuesdays are dead. This product sells triple when bundled. These customers are about to leave. 4. Handling the busy work between your apps. Every business runs on tools that do not talk to each other, so you become the human glue. Copy the form here, paste it there, set a reminder. Automation watches for the trigger and does the whole chain for you, correctly every time, forever. 5. Giving every customer the personal touch you cannot scale by hand. When you had 10 customers, you remembered all of them. At 500, you cannot, and service starts feeling generic. AI brings some of that warmth back. The right follow-up, the right recommendation, a check-in that actually feels relevant. You can start most of this today with free tools, and you should. But every growing business hits a moment where the generic tools stop fitting, and a custom one built around exactly how you work starts paying for itself. Whatever stage you are at, the point is simple. You should not be doing it all by hand. Built by Buit, a new tech fact every day.